Delta County Airport, automated weather observation 2004 Zulu weather. Wind 190 at 12, peak gust 15, visibility more than 10, sky condition clear below 12,000, temperature -13 Celsius, dew point -20 Celsius, altimeter 3035.
And got our altitude.
Yeah, I got pretty much
altimeter set, and attitude indicator's looking good. Directional gyro's looking good. RPMs are good. Oil pressure's good. Oil temperature's good. Okay.
Delta County traffic, Skyhawk 7974 X-ray is taxiing from the ramp to runway 18, Escanaba.
A little lacy out here.
Yeah, so I have to remember, kind of like with my car.
Yep. Keep it nice and slow going through here. Clear on the left there. And taxiing Bravo to Alpha. Well, it's been a while since I've been back to my home airport here, where I learned to fly. That was so long ago. What, back in 2006, I started taking lessons here, right?
Yeah, it's been, yeah, because I was about 15. You were 18.
And Escanaba traffic, 7974 X-ray crossing over 9027 on Alpha, taxiing to 18. Escanaba. Clear on the left, clear on the right. Yeah. Started taking lessons in this 7974 X-ray. You took all yours in my airplane, right?
No, I started in this.
Started in this and then went to...
This is what I soloed in, and then once I soloed, then I started in yours.
Yeah, Delta County traffic 7974 X-ray is clear 9027. That's Escanaba. Yeah, and then we went to 5669 Romeo.
Yeah.
We had 8685 Juliet there for a while.
Yep.
Remember that when you were taking 8685 Juliet, and then I had 5669 Romeo, and I'd follow you. We were doing that. That would have been some neat footage to get with the cameras, but
yeah.
Oh well. Didn't have those GoPros then.
Technology's pretty cool.
Yep. Good grief. You taxi fast.
Ah. Well, you gotta get to your destination.
I was gonna, yeah. Taxi fast like that. Taxis fast like that. Going places.
Well, there's not ice right here. They don't keep those side ramps cleared off too well, do they? Did you
Not
see that
this year, that's for sure. Been getting hit with so much snow, they're probably happy just to keep the
the runway clear.
The runway's clear. Carb heat. Check the mags, left mag, right mag, carb heat. That's all checking out good. Oil pressure's looking good. Oil temperature's looking good. Amp meter's looking good.
Doors
Go ahead and flip on that landing light real quick. Check that amp meter. Suction's looking good. Let's see. Got our nav light here and landing light here. There. See how we get that jump? That's what we're looking for right there. And we'll take it there. And then go ahead and dial the RPMs back, and I'll take the airplane, and you can grab the cushion real quick. Alright, I have the airplane.
You have the airplane.
Flaps is retracted, mixture full ridge, throttle full forward, lift nose wheel at 60 miles per hour. Ooh, this mile per hour, I forgot that.
Yeah.
And then it's got the dozen miles per hour instead of knots. And then climb at 80 miles per hour, trim for takeoff, first turn, field elevation.
Delta County traffic, Skyhawk 7974 X-ray is taking off on runway 18, Escanaba.
And power's coming in. Windsock looks good, and the runway headings look good. Traffic looks good, and clouds clear. Airspeed's coming alive. Rotation. And climb. Climbing out at 80. Feels good, eh? How long has it been since you've flown? This summer?
Since like November.
November, eh?
Yeah. Because it was before I was pregnant, so.
How far along are you now?
Almost 3 months.
How long until you're not supposed to fly? I don't know all these. I don't remember.
They say like 6 weeks for basically everything, like for travel, for...
6 weeks before the due date?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, you can just go ahead and turn on course once we get up to 1100 to Washington Island, and then once you make your departure call saying you're departing to the southeast, then I'll switch over to Minneapolis, try to pick up flight following across here.
Yeah.
And I've got you dialed into 2P2 Washington Island right here.
Okie dokie.
You can go ahead and let them know that we're departed the pattern.
Delta County traffic, Skyhawk 7974 X-ray is departing the pattern to the south, Escanaba.
And let's see if we can't pick up our good friends at Minneapolis Center. At Minneapolis Center, this is 7974 X-ray.
We're 7974 X-ray at Minneapolis, go ahead.
Yeah, this is 7974 X-ray just off of Escanaba en route to Washington Island to Papa 2 and requesting flight following. They say that the Great Lakes are the most frozen they've been in a century.
Wow.
There's not a spot of water in sight. Looks like frozen tundra land with a few islands sticking in there.
Hey, yep. Pretty much going by sight because I'm having a hard time seeing that with the...
Check 76 Minneapolis Center, maintain 14,000.
We got the weather at Sawyer now.
Very good. Number 7974 X-ray, I did hear you call. However, when you went to broadcast, I heard a couple clicks and then nothing. And then there was some feedback. So I don't know if there's a problem with your radio or not there, but right now I'm not hearing anything.
Alright, 7974 X-ray. And Minneapolis Center, this is 7974 X-ray. Do you read me now?
774 Whiskey Fox, Minneapolis Center.
All right,
for you clearing traffic.
Go to 3,500.
And Papa Golf, Romeo Whiskey, you were stepped on. Say again, please. Okay, Papa Romeo Golf, Romeo Whiskey, very good. Then you can squawk 400 for now. You're clear to leave center frequency, and we'll talk to you later. Yeah, you can just squawk 1200, but you can monitor the frequency as long as you like. If you need something, give me a call. When you get down around Eau Claire or east of Eau Claire, the frequency is going to be 125.3.
I'll have to talk to Glenn about that transmit.
704 Whiskey Foxtrot, climb maintain flight level 210. Okay, number 7974 X-ray here, center now.
Yes, we hear you loud and clear, 7974 X-ray.
Okay, yeah, that transmission was a lot better there, but you were really cutting in and out there. And did you need anything today?
I was going to request flight following over here to Washington Island, but we were almost there already, so I'll try to catch you on the way back. How about that?
Okay, sounds good.
All right, thanks a lot. 7974 X-ray.
Yep. Options 427, change to my frequency, 119.1.
19-1 off 427.
Yeah, his what's going on is this transmit button on the co-pilot side isn't working with the hoot, so...
he's had problems with that before.
Oh, he has?
Yeah.
When I was flying this last time, it didn't have any problems at all, but oh well. I'll have to talk to him about it. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick shutdown and go check that. You can slide over to this seat if you want, so then we have transmission on the way back.
Alrighty.
Alright, Master. And Master's coming on. Pretty slick. Washington Island traffic is 7974 X-ray depart. And cleared the tree, so go ahead and level down. Climbing out at 80 now. And adjusting my trim here. And Washington Island traffic is 7974 X-ray, departing the pattern to the northwest, Washington Island. Alright, now we're climbing out here. Let's see if we can't get Minneapolis Center this time. At least the heater's working good in this airplane.
Yeah,
that's a super
that would be
plus.
Horrible.
Yeah, when I was flying the Duchess, wow, that was just horrible. We were flying the Duchess and the heater went out in it.
Going all the way to Mom and Dad's. And
freezing cold. Yeah, all the way from 05 Charlie in Griffith all the way up to Cadillac, Kilo Charlie Alpha Delta, and it's just numbing. We got out of the airplane, my fingers could barely move.
Wow.
Not fun.
Did Laura bring a blanket just in case?
Well, we had a little blanket, but it didn't, when it's that cold, it doesn't do much. And Minneapolis Center, this is 7974 X-ray.
Number 7974 X-ray, Minnesota, go ahead.
Yeah, Minneapolis Center, this is 7974 X-ray. We're just off of Washington Island, en route to Escanaba, and requesting flight following.
Number 7974 X-ray, squawk 2672, 2672.
2672, 7974 X-ray. Yeah, it sure isn't hard to locate Escanaba. With the big mead
smokestack
sticking there. Airport's just to the left of there. So your dead reckoning skills.
Radar contact 20 southeast Escanaba. Escanaba altimeter is 3034. Say altitude.
3034, and we're just passing through 2,500.
74 X-ray, Roger. What's the type aircraft today?
It's a Cessna 172.
Roger. And full stop Escanaba?
Yes, sir, that's correct. 7974 X-ray, full stop.
Number 74 X-ray, Roger. Number 311 Victor Mike, descend pilot's discretion, maintain 14, 14,000.
Alrighty, you can go ahead and have the airplane. I'll keep the radio since you don't like talking to flight following. Although I'm gonna cure you of that someday. It's not that hard.
It's like when you're flying, you want to go up and fly for fun. You don't want to have to actually work at it.
But it is fun. It's fun talking
It's
to the
not
controllers.
fun.
Yes, it is.
It's a nuisance. You have to listen for them. And
That's what makes it fun and exciting and,
No.
and more challenging.
you're
Yeah.
a silly one.
It's good. And plus, it's a safety factor, too.
Baby must like flying because I haven't felt sick at all.
That's a good thing. I was a little worried about that, but figured, you know what? We got to give it a try. We got to give it a try. Pilot
Yep.
can only stay on the ground so long.
Exactly. Mom wasn't sick her whole pregnancies, was she?
I don't think so. I don't know. Ask her.
That would be the worst.
Yeah, no. I don't pretend to know anything about that kind of stuff. I'm just glad that I'm a guy.
Number 74X, Rapid Escanaba, compacted snow all surfaces.
Roger that, 7974 X-ray, thanks. Yep. Got the snow, and it's so packed down there. We had did I tell you about that incident we had down there at Griffith? The guy landed and he crammed down his brakes.
Oh boy, flipped it over.
He had plenty of runway left, and instead of just letting the airplane roll out and slowly slow it down, he got down on the ground, crammed down his brakes, and of course it had a little bit of a crosswind. Just like skates, skidded right over there and whoom. Fortunately, there was no fatalities or anything, but the airplane will never fly again.
Yeah. What are we climbing to?
4,500 or west heading. Flying anywhere is fun, but flying up here is just awesome.
That's because it's so pretty.
Yeah.
You don't have buildings everywhere and...
Flagship, correction, flight check 76, my frequency 12645. Flight check 76, Minneapolis, roger, and the Duluth altimeter 3027.
Delta County Airport, automated weather observation 2100 Zulu, weather, wind 190 at 12, peak gust 18, visibility 3, sky condition clear below 12,000, temperature -13 Celsius, dew point -18 Celsius, altimeter 3034.
Number 7974 X-ray, you did get the weather at Escanaba, correct?
Yes, sir. We have the weather in the airport in sight, 7974 X-ray.
Number 7974 X-ray, 9 and 27, compacted snow. Taxiways have compacted snow, 18 and 36, compacted snow. And a couple towers with lights out. If you want them, I'll read them.
We have those, 7974 X-ray, thanks.
Number 7974 X-ray, roger. No observed traffic in the area. You can squawk 1200 for exchange crude. We'll talk to you later, sir.
All right, thanks for having us. 1200, 7974 X-ray. That's the kind of traffic. This is 7974 X-ray. We are 8 nautical miles to the southeast, inbound for landing runway 18. Escanaba. Yeah, one of those GoPros came off of an airplane and flew all the way down. Landed in a farmer's field, and a pig came walking up to it and started looking the front of it, found it right away. Farmer didn't find it for 3 months later, and then he finally returned it to the owner. So he thought he had lost it. 3 months later, the farmer found it in the pig pen, and on the end of it, it shows the camera rolling, and then it shows it spiraling and falling to the ground. and then it shows the pig walking up to it, and then it all gets blurred
Wow.
up from there.
Pig's like, alien invader. What's
I
this?
know. And Delta County traffic, this is 7974 X-ray, turning a left downwind for runway 18, Escanaba. And we're adjacent with the end of the runway, so carb heat's coming back, reduce power, and lowering the nose. And Delta County traffic, this is 7974 X-ray, left base for runway 18, Escanaba. And I know we were taught when we were coming in on descent to control our approach with power, but it's actually a better thing to do it with pitch. And Delta County traffic, this is 7974 X-ray, final for runway 18, full stop, Escanaba. And a little bit of a crosswind out of the west. The right wing down into the wind, a little bit of left to rudder pedal, and be good to go. Of course, all of our taxiways are snowed in, so we got to roll out long anyway.
Yep.
And Escanaba traffic, the 7974 X-ray, clear of runway 18, Escanaba.